Hi, welcome to my studio. In this tutorial, we will see how to place text behind objects in After Effects. So let's get into the video tutorial. I have taken this video, a lady traveler with a trolley bag getting into a hotel. Let's say I wanted to add text behind the lady. This is the professional way to do it. Select the Roto Brush, so up here in the Tools bar, select the Roto Brush. Then double-click on the video. That'll open it up in a separate window next to the composition view. And the cursor will turn into a green circle with plus icon. Now left-click and drag over the subject which you want to mask. Now the lady has been highlighted in purple color. It means is that the After Effects has created a mask based on our selection. Keep adding extra areas by clicking and dragging. If you want to resize the cursor, hold down Control key and left click, then move the mouse up or down. You can see the resize of the cursor, and if you want to exclude certain area, hold down Alt and the icon change to red circle with minus in the center. Once you've done that, so here we are at the first frame and we full covered the subject. Now we need to continue this process throughout the video. Press the spacebar to preview. The selection will follow the preview. The progress this green bar. So let's wait until it loads. And once it's done, you can always go back and check for any imperfection. And if there are any, you can always make an adjustment. And once you checked and there are no imperfections, click on the freeze icon and we'll also take some time to freeze the frames and remove the background altogether. Once it's finished, we can go back to the composition view and see the subject without the background. Now import the same video to the timeline. Now select the type tool and type something like Roto. Now place the text layer in between the two layers. If you have any edge pixel, adjust this control to blend the edges that matches properly. If we preview this, you can see that it is perfect, no overlapping happening, and that's how you add text or anything behind objects in After Effects. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Thank you.